Hi, hope you are doing well. Yes, this is Jagaspurti. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another very important topic of the employee. If you are not yet subscribed for my channel, please do subscribe and watch all videos for your better future. Yes. Are you thinking why she is telling today's topic is very important? Yes. Today's topic is about leaves of the employee. Anyhow, you are getting Saturday, Sunday, or some organization giving Sunday holiday or rotational holiday, right? Yes, leaves are very important nowadays of the human being mental health, and also mental health is will give the efficiency of the organization. You might have seen many organizations to maintain the mental health of their employees is providing being back to the office or frequently arranging the parties or team lunch, team outing and some activities in the office also. And many organizations providing sleeping areas to take a quick nap and work again, and also some game zones. Together, all with this, we need some extra leaves to maintain our personal life and mental health also. What and all? Let's know. Public leave, sick leave, casual leave, paid leave, maternity leave, paternity leave, and special leave. Public holiday. From this, we'll get total 12 holidays in a year. It includes national holiday and regional holiday also. Being an Indian, India will celebrate cultural festivals and like national festival and also regional festival. We'll get 6 of each national holidays and regional holidays. National holidays will like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti and more. And also regional holidays in Karnataka will celebrate Sankranti, Ugadi, Deepavali and many more. It will depends upon the organization which will give what festivals they are fixing the casual leave. From these categories, employees will get total 15 number of holidays in a year. It will given to the employees to take a urgent personal reason. These casual leaves can also converted as sick leave, but it's mandatory to take a peer permission from the management. Next one is earned leave. Earned leave is also called as privilege leave, annual leave, vacation leave, and also paid leave. Why this is called as earned leave? Why? Because employees can earn by taking this leave. For example, if you are working in Karnataka, you will get one earned leave by working 20 days with your employer. Similarly, if you are in Maharashtra, you will get 18 earned leave by working 240 days with your employer. It will depends upon from state to state or from employer to employer. Benefits of the earned leave is you can carry forward these to the next financial year, but there's some limit. It depends upon the organization. You can take this leave on one time or you can take it as monthly wise. Sick leave. You can take this leave if you are in sick or you are met with an accident. And also you can take this leave for pre-planned surgery. But you should talk to your respective manager to convert earned leave to the sick leave. And if you are getting too much stress or you are not able to maintain your mental health, this time also you can claim for the sick leave. If you are not feeling well for too many days, like 2 weeks or 1 month, you can take prolonged sick leave. But you should provide medical certification to the management to claim the sick leave. However, you can't carry forward these leaves to the next year. You should use only to the year. Maternity leaves. Hey ladies, are you ready to welcome a new one to the world? If yes, you can take a maternity leave. You will get 26 weeks of paid leaves, and also you can extend it 4 weeks with unpaid leaves. This is only for first two born. For the third one, you will get only 12 weeks of paid leaves. Paternity leave. This is for the father to take care of mother and newborn baby. They will get 30 days of earned leave. It depends upon the organization too. Special leave. The employees will get one or two special leaves in a year like birthday or their anniversaries. It's not mandatory they must give. It depends upon the organization too. Thanks for giving your precious time to watch my video, Lee. And if you're liking my video, please do press the like button and subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.